Hello friends, let's learn about virus today. We all have suffered from sneezing in common cold at least once a year. It is due to virus called rhinovirus, but it's not harmful like other viruses. In 19th century, Edward Jenner and Louis Pasteur developed the first vaccines to protect against viral infections. Pasteur called virus means venom or poisonous fluid. In 1892, Dmitry Ivanovsky recognized certain microbes as causal organism of the mosaic disease in tobacco plant. He took an extract of diseased plant and filtered out by using bacteria-proof filter, then extract is sprayed on a healthy tobacco plant. Later the healthy plant developed mosaic disease. He named that fluid Contagium vivum fluidum. This experiment proves that viruses are even smaller than bacteria, because it can pass through the bacteria-proof filter. In 1935, W.M. Stanley showed that viruses could be crystallized, and crystals consist largely of proteins. All viruses contains a protein coat and their genetic material. A protein coat is called capsid. It is capsule-like structure. A capsid is made up of monomer called capsomer. Inside of capsid virus contains genetic material which is DNA or RNA. No virus contains both RNA and DNA. Viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA, and viruses that infect animals have either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Bacterial viruses or bacteriophages, viruses that infect the bacteria, are usually double-stranded DNA viruses. Viruses cause diseases like mumps, smallpox, herpes, and influenza. AIDS in humans is also caused by a virus called HIV virus. In plants, the symptoms can be mosaic formation, leaf rolling and curling, yellowing, and vein clearing, dwarfing, also caused by viruses. In 1971, Theodore Diener discovered a new infectious agent that was smaller than viruses and caused potato spindle tuber disease. It was found to be a free RNA molecule only. Viroids do not have the protein coat that is found in viruses.